Hey, it's James Nicholson from rocketmarketinghub.com. I hope you guys are well. Today I want to talk about keeping things simple in business. Now, I'm outside In-N-Out Burger in Los Angeles. It's one of the burger restaurants that is famous for all the celebs go there, and they sell incredible burgers and fries, and we're just going to jump in there and grab one any minute now. So yeah, hopefully we might see some celebrities while we're there, you never know. But one thing that In-N-Out Burger do very well is they do things differently compared to other burger chains. So normally when you go to burger chains now, the emphasis is on offering as many different varieties and styles of burger as possible. But In-N-Out Burger just do very, very simple menu. It's either you would take a hamburger or you take a cheeseburger. That's it, nothing else. And their French fries are very simple. There are no sizes. There are just, you want French fries or you don't want French fries. And they make it very, very simple, and that does a lot of things for their business. It makes it that the service is very fast. It makes it so the customers don't have to think about things when they're queuing up to buy the product or service, and it just makes people know what they're getting. And that works incredibly well. There's a few In-N-Out chains in Los Angeles. All of them have a queue around the block. They're all absolutely packed out 24 hours a day. And that's just because they've got a simple message, they've got a simple menu, and they make things very, very easy for their customers. So you should do that in your business. Try and copy them. Don't confuse your customers. No one comes into In-N-Out and gets confused. They know what they're getting. They know exactly the price. They know how they stand. They know what it's going to taste like, and it works really well. So try not to confuse people in your business. Make it simple, and you'll have even more success. So that's it from me. I'll see you guys soon. We're off shopping in LA now, so I'll see you guys in the next few days. Bye bye.